As I promised before, I go complete all the major projects wey my administration start before I comot for office for November 12, 2024. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki tok dis one wen e carry waka go check the progress of work for the education hub for Iyaro, Benin City. Oga Obaseki come tok say the reason for the check na to follow up with contractors so dem fit deliver the work as dem agree, and say so far so good. The two buildings don almost ready, and with wetin im don see, dem go finish the project between August and September 2024. Obaseki come tok say the first building na healthcare center wey go host basic school and get facilities wey fit handle 3,000 people. E come still tok say the block of Ministry of Education don almost ready, as im hope say by May 2024 dem go move enter, and say dem still dey rebuild the state digital library, and say all the facilities wey education go need dey for the block.
Like I promised, I'll complete all the major projects I started, including this one. It's due for delivery between August and September. So I'm here to just check and follow up to make sure that we keep the contractors on their toes to deliver as we had agreed. And so far, so good. I believe 2 buildings are almost ready. The first building you saw there is a primary healthcare center to serve this community and this, and this facility. Because by the time we finish, this facility will host, including basic school, that is primary 1 to JSS 3, a model school. So at any point in time, this facility will handle almost 3,000 people. So it's important that we have one of our model healthcare centers or clinics in there. The Ministry of Education is the first block. You see, it's almost ready, and hopefully by May they will move in there. They have a center, a cafeteria. They have a block for SUBEB, the Universal Basic Education Board. There's a block for the Secondary School Board. There is a block for the Technical Education Board. Another block for Quality Assurance. And then an ideal school. You have the State Library. It's been rebuilt, the Digital Library. You're going to have a playground. Every facility that you need for complete education is going to be in this education hub. If you see the quality of the buildings, you can tell that this is it's the best that you can get. The job here is not shoddy at all.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.